Introduction to tables in Lua. Tables are the primary data structure in Lua, and they can be used to represent arrays, dictionaries, and objects. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create, access, and manipulate tables in Lua, adding and accessing elements in tables. Tables in Lua can hold values of any data type, including numbers, strings, and even other tables. Elements in a table are stored with associated keys. Here's an example of adding and accessing elements in a table. Modifying table elements. Table elements in Lua can be modified by directly assigning new values to them. Here's an example. Removing table elements. In Lua, table elements can be removed using the nil value or the table remove function. Here's an example. Iterating over table elements. Lua provides different methods to iterate over table elements. The pairs function is used to iterate over key value pairs, while the iPairs function is used for iterating over array-like tables. Here's an example. Table length. To get the number of elements in a table, you can use the hash operator or the table getN function. Here's an example. Table concatenation. Tables in Lua can be concatenated using the table concat function. This function concatenates the elements of a table into a single string using a specified separator. Here's an example. Nested tables. Tables in Lua can be nested, allowing you to create more complex data structures. Here's an example. In this tutorial, we explored the basics of working with tables in Lua. We learned how to create tables, add and access elements, modify and remove elements, iterate over table elements, and perform common operations like getting the table length and concatenating table elements. Tables are a versatile and powerful feature in Lua, allowing you to structure and organize your data efficiently. Here's an example code block that demonstrates creating and manipulating a table. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to support the creation of more content like this.